Cougar Mountain, one of the Issaquah Alps. Shot taken from Issaquah, Washington. This info sign tells the story of Anti-Aircraft Peak, which protected Puget Sound and Seattle during World War II and the Cold War. Nike missile, the 90mm Skymaster anti-aircraft guns. The military base that was here during World War II and the Cold War. Old military stairs and walkway leading to the top of Anti-Aircraft Peak. Moss-covered concrete pad for the 90mm Skymaster anti-aircraft gun on top of Anti-Aircraft Peak. Descending Anti-Aircraft Peak, walking alongside moss-covered service road markers for Anti-Aircraft Peak. Cougar Mountain and Anti-Aircraft.